Differentials are mechanisms used in automobiles to allow for tire speed differentiation while making turns. When a vehicle is traveling in a straight path, the tires are rotating at the same speed. However, during a turn, the tires need to rotate at different speeds since the turning radius for each wheel is different. The inside tires need to travel along a tighter radius and decrease in speed, while the outer tires need to travel along a larger radius and increase in speed to maintain the turn. Prior to the development of differentials, vehicles were designed to provide equal power to both wheels through a rear axle shaft. The turning capability of a vehicle would be powered by one rear wheel, causing issues. For example, if the back left tire was the drive wheel and it was stuck on ice, a vehicle would not be able to make a right turn due to a lack of traction. With equal power to both tires during a turn, the outer tire would skid. To mitigate skidding while making a turn, an open differential was invented. The open differential allows the vehicle to differentiate the speed of the tires when making a turn by increasing the speed of the outside tire while simultaneously decreasing the speed of the inside tire. When a vehicle is traveling in a straight path, equal amounts of speed and torque are transmitted to the axle shafts. With technological advancements, differential designs have become more complex to improve performance and vehicle safety.